When it comes to improving your home's comfort, efficiency, and value, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a decision that pays off in more ways than one. For Nampa homeowners, where summers can get hot, winters bring a chill, and energy costs fluctuate, energy-efficient doors offer an ideal solution. Not only do they help regulate indoor temperatures, but they also provide security, enhance curb appeal, and reduce energy bills. Here are the key benefits of choosing energy-efficient doors for your Nampa home. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant benefits of energy-efficient doors is their ability to reduce energy costs. Older doors, especially those with poor seals, gaps, or thin materials, allow drafts to enter your home. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature, leading to higher utility bills. Energy-efficient doors feature insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and tight seals that prevent air leaks. These features create a barrier between your indoor space and the outdoor elements, helping to keep warm air inside during winter and cool air inside during summer. The result? A more comfortable home and noticeable savings on your monthly energy bills. Improved indoor comfort. Energy-efficient doors are designed to maintain consistent indoor temperatures, regardless of the weather outside. In Nampa, where summers can be scorching and winters bring chilly temperatures, this is a game-changer for your home's comfort. With advanced insulation and better seals, these doors eliminate drafts and prevent hot or cold spots near entryways. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or cooking in the kitchen, you'll enjoy a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment year-round. Enhanced home value. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is an investment that adds real value to your home. Homebuyers today prioritize energy-efficient features that reduce long-term costs and enhance comfort. A home with modern, energy-efficient doors stands out in the Nampa real estate market and appeals to buyers looking for both style and savings. Additionally, energy-efficient doors improve curb appeal with modern designs, finishes, and materials that complement your home's architecture. Whether you choose a sleek fiberglass door, a stylish steel option, or a classic wood-look design, your new door will boost the overall aesthetic and perceived value of your property. Better durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient doors are built to last. Made from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or composite, these doors resist warping, cracking, fading, and other forms of wear and tear. Unlike older wooden doors that require regular painting, sealing, or repairs, modern energy-efficient doors require minimal maintenance. For Nampa homeowners, where weather changes can take a toll on traditional doors, this durability is a huge advantage. You'll save time and money on upkeep while enjoying a door that looks and performs great for years to come. Increased home security. Your doors play a critical role in protecting your home and family. Energy-efficient doors don't just offer insulation, they also provide enhanced security features. Modern doors are designed with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials that make them much more secure than older doors. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door ensures your home is better protected from intruders, giving you peace of mind. This combination of energy savings and added security is a win-win for Nampa homeowners. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy street, school, or construction site, noise pollution can disrupt your peace and quiet. Energy-efficient doors are constructed with multiple layers of insulation and tight seals that help block outside noise. By upgrading your doors, you can enjoy a quieter and more relaxing home environment, free from the disturbances of external sounds. Eco-friendly benefits. Energy-efficient doors not only save you money but also help reduce your environmental impact. By using less energy to heat or cool your home, you lower your overall carbon footprint. Many modern doors are also made from sustainable or recyclable materials, further contributing to a greener environment. For eco-conscious homeowners in Nampa, energy-efficient doors are a great way to make your home more sustainable while enjoying practical benefits. Protection from the elements. Nampa's seasonal weather changes can put stress on older doors, leading to warping, rotting, or leaks. Energy-efficient doors are built to withstand the elements, including rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. Features like weather stripping, insulated cores, and durable finishes keep moisture and drafts out, protecting your home from potential damage. By replacing your old door with a high-quality energy-efficient option, you ensure your home stays protected year-round. Upgrade your Nampa home with energy-efficient doors. For Nampa homeowners, energy-efficient doors are a smart upgrade that provides long-lasting benefits. From reducing energy bills and improving indoor comfort to enhancing security and curb appeal, these doors are a worthwhile investment for any home. If you're ready to make the switch to energy-efficient doors, consult a professional door installation team in Nampa. They can help you choose the perfect style, material, and features for your needs, ensuring a seamless installation and lasting performance. Invest in energy-efficient doors today and enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and eco-friendly home for years to come.